So in exercise 5.2 continuity and differentiability. So question number 8 you see here. Question number 8 is given to you. Is the presentation visible to you? So this question, f of x is equals to mod x by x if x is less than or equals to, if x is not equals to 0, if it is equals to 0. So at the point of 0, we need to check the discontinuity. So for all these problems, the question is going to find all the points of discontinuity of the f, where f is defined as like this given. So 8th problem onwards, let us going to discuss now today. Okay. So problem number 8, whatever it is given to you, what you need to do here, f of x is equals to, it is given that mod x by x and x is not equals to 0. So here given function, is it visible to you? Like this, the function is given. That is nothing but f of x is equals to mod x by x. If you rewrite this function, because there will be a different situations will be there, you can rewrite this function in another way also. Mod x value will be different. We know that mod x value is equals to plus x itself if x is greater than 0. So mod x is equals to, what do we get here? Mod x is equals to x only if x is greater than 0. This is equals to minus x if x is less than 0. So we are going to have the situation x is less than 0 for one way we are going to have. Then the given function can be rewritten right as f of x is equals to, if x is less than 0, if x is less than 0, mod x का प्लेस में minus x लिखना है. So minus x by x. So we are going to get it as a minus 1. So x less than 0 means it is minus 1. X is equals to 0 means already it is given 0. If x is greater than 0 means the function will become as a 1 because mod x का प्लेस में x substitute करना है. So we are going to get it as a 1 in this situation. So you have to check the continuity of this function in different ways. Less than करना है, is equals to 0 का केस में चेक करना है, greater than 0 का केस में, because it is a split function at the place of 0. So if here we need to check the discontinuity or continuity of a particular point. So let the C be the any point on the real line. So what is the domain of this function? Domain of this function is f of x is real numbers, because it is defined for all the real numbers. But if it is less than 0, the function becomes real. So you can write that this function and this function both are same. Did you understand this difference? Did you understand the difference between this function and this function? You can rewrite this in this way. So domain of the function is real numbers. So let C be any real number. So we have to check the discontinuity of the C. So 3 different cases you need to take. Case 1 में C less than 0 ले लो. Case 2 में C is equals to 0 ले लो. Case 3 में, third case में C greater than 0. So 3 different cases you need to consider. C less than 0, whenever you take it, the function becomes clear. So limit x tends to C, f of x is equals to. Here it is not necessary to find out the left hand limit and right hand limit, because less than 0 ka one place only we are going to have. Where the function is splitting, at that particular point you need to find out the left hand limit and right hand limit. So this is equals to limit x tends to c f of x. When less than 0, the function is -1. So directly you can write the -1. So limit x tends to c -1 is, it is a constant, we are going to get -1. Then f of c value what? C less than 0 means it is equal to -1. So here also we are going to get -1. So since limit x tends to c, f of x is equals to f of c. Therefore, f of x is continuous. Continuous for all the points less than 0. It is continuous for x less than 0. It is continuous. Now is equals to 0 whenever you take it, you need to check the left hand limit and right hand limit. Why? Because we need to find out limit x tends to c. C already it is equals to 0. No? So let us take the 0 minus of f of x. So which is equals to limit x tends to 0 minus. 0 minus is nothing but on the number line whenever you take here, this is the number line means here it is 0 is there, here -1 is there, here 0 less than is nothing but here. At this place the function behaves as a negative. X value is negative. So next to x value negative is nothing but the function value is -1. So the function becomes as a -1. So which is equals to -1. Limit x tends to 0 plus f of x whenever you take it. This you can write as a limit x tends to 0 plus 1 we are going to get. 0 plus 1 means right side of 0. What is exact meaning of this, you know? X value whenever it is reaching to 0 but from the right side onwards, what is the f of x value? F of x value will be the always it is either be 1 hai, either be 1 hai, either be 1 hai, either be देखो 1 hai. When it is reaching to here, the value is 1. So it is not changing, constant function. So that's why it is 1. Limit x tends to 0 minus is not equals to limit x tends to 0 plus. So left hand limit and right hand limit not coincide. So it is not continuous. It actually limit doesn't matter. Therefore, as limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is not equals to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. You can write this as, therefore, f of x is not continuous, discontinuous at 0. Discontinuous at x is equals to 0. So c greater than 0 means what is the function here? Limit x tends to c f of x. Limit x tends to c 1. F of x is nothing but c greater than 0 for 1 value. So what you get here in this situation? This is equals to 1 we are getting. Now f of c value is also equals to 1 only. So limit x tends to, here no need of finding the left hand limit and right hand limit. We are going to get it limit x tends to c, f of x is equals to f of c. Means c greater than 0. If you take the c value as a 5, limit x tends to 5. Why don't we take actually left hand limit and right hand limit, you know? C greater than 0 I am saying. Greater than 0 is nothing but, suppose as an example, let us take it as a 2. Or 5 I said ना, इधर 5 होगा, 5 consider. Left hand limit meaning क्या है? 5 का left side, near to the 5 left side. The function is same. Left side of the 5 is function is this one only. Right side of the 5 is, because left side of the 5 is positive only. So when the positivity function is same, right side of the 5 is the function is same. So that's why we are not going to take the here and there. In both the situations, we are not going to take the left hand limit and right hand limit. 0 का प्लेस में left hand limit, right hand limit क्यों लेना है? Because 0 का left side the function is different, 0 का right side the function is different. Did you get my point here? This is very, very important point you need to note. Okay? Did you understand? Is it clear to you? समझ में आया ना? Okay. Ninth question, whenever you see here, the question is actually very interesting question. Question itself says to you something different question here. X by mod x, both you may think that both are same questions. No, no, no. These two are completely different here. Looks like a same question, but it is not, completely different. Ninth question and this one. Okay. So ninth question is given to you. Observe properly. F of x is equals to x by mod x if x is less than 0. It is equal if it is greater than or equal. Can you rewrite this function? When x is less than 0, what is mod x? We know that x less than 0 implies mod x will be is equals to minus x. How? At least you know this one. Because less than 0 is nothing but modulus का place में suppose -2 ले लिया. X value -2 if I have taken. We need to write as a +2. -2 will become +2. How -2 will become +2? By multiplying -1. So minus half -2 we need to write. That's why it becomes a +2. So we are writing here, see this is x, this is x. Here x, here x. So minus we need to multiply. So that only it becomes a positive. So this is a one thing. Most of you know that modulus means it is positive. That's all. You know this one only. Modulus means. But how, why it is positive, you need to know here. So which is equals to mod x will be equal to -1, minus x. So here minus x should be substituted. So what you are going to get here, f of x is equals to x by minus x. That is nothing but here -1 if x is less than 0. It is also -1 if x is greater than or equal to 0. That means in both the situation it is -1 only. Therefore, you can function is, instead of giving it as a for all x belongs to real numbers. Any real number level, a constant function. This is a constant function. It is not a split function. So for any constant function is always continuous. Can you say that how the graph of this function will be the constant function? Constant function का graph कैसे होगा? Can you predict it? -1 है ना? X value whatever you take, y value is -1. Because x का प्लेस में 0 ले लो, 0 कामा -1. y का प्लेस में, तो here -1 will be there. 0 को -1, 1 को -1, -1 को -1. So this is the function that represents the f of x is equals to minus. ये continuous है ना? ग्राफ ड्रा करो नॉर्मली. Continuous prove करना है तो how do we do? Limit x tends to c is the any real number you have to consider. Limit x tends to c, f of x you need to find out. So limit x tends to c, -1 we are going to get -1. F of c is any real number. For any real number it is -1. Both are equal. So this is equals to this one. Therefore the function is continuous. Okay. Did you understand here? So function is given to you actually constant function only, but the constant function is given to you in a something different way in an area. Okay, that you have to note here. Next, coming to the next problem, 10th one. F of x is equals to x plus 1 if x is greater than or equals to 1. This is x square plus 1. If x is less than 1. See here, first you need to observe that it is a splitting at what place? That place you need to find left hand limit, right hand limit. Okay. F is a function is defined on all the points of the real numbers. So domain of this function is real numbers. So let C be any real number. C with any real number. So if you consider any real number, limit extends to, sorry, C real number means C may be less than 1, C may be greater than 1, C may be is equals to 1. Less than 1 का केस में 3 cases will C less than 1 case will be there, C is equals to 1 case will be there, C greater than 1. Less than 1 and greater than 1 obviously will be continuous because limit extends to C f of x is equals to limit extends to C. No need of finding left hand and right. C is negative less than 1. Less than 1 का function क्या है? That function should be written here. Then we are going to get C square plus 1. F of C क्या होगा? C is less than 1. So less than 1 का C है. C square plus 1 substitute करना है. So from this you can say that limit extends to C. F of x is equals to f of C. We are going to get. Limit extends to C. F of x is equals to f of C. C is equals to 1 का प्लेस में left hand limit, right hand limit is necessary to find out. So limit extends to, instead of writing C here you can write directly 1 minus f of x. Limit extends to 1 minus f of x. 1 say less than value. So that is x square plus 1. So here 1 only we have to subtract, not minus 1. Because it is a polynomial function, we are directly substituting the value of the limit. So 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Left hand limit is 2. And right hand limit, see here, this function is little bit different. In previous problems, function is completely different. We are not getting the continuity. But here you may get continuity. Limit exists hoga. Limit extends to 1 plus. F of x should be taken as a x plus 1. And x का प्लेस में 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. इधर 1 plus 1 आएगा 2 बस. Both are equal. Okay, both equal means therefore limit extends to 1 minus f of x is equals to limit extends to 1 plus f of x. Both are equal, that are equals to 2. That is nothing but limit extends to 1 f of x is equals to 2. Okay, what is f of 1? F of 1 क्या है? वो भी देखना है. In some problems, f of 1 may not be equal to this one. Our intention is to prove the continuity. ना? F of 1 क्या होगा? Is equals to 1 का place में भी x plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. This one is equals to this one we are getting. Limit extends to 1. Therefore, it is continuous here also. Till now, the previous problems, in all the problems, it is not continuous. And greater than 1 को same as it is. Less than 1 को कैसे किया है? Greater than 1 को. But the function is going to change here. What function we are? Limit extends to C f of x means, here you need to write limit extends to C f of x means x plus 1 should be written. C is greater than 1. Greater than 1 का केस में x plus 1 है ना function. That should be taken. So we are going to get C plus 1. इधर C square plus 1 आएगा, उधर C plus 1 आएगा. Difference f of C is nothing but also C plus 1. Therefore, limit extends to C, f of x is equals to f of C. So less than 0 में continuous है, is equals to, sorry, less than 1 को continuous है, is equals to 1 continuous है, greater than 1 continuous है. Therefore, this function is continuous everywhere. This function is continuous everywhere. So I am saying to you, this function is continuous everywhere. When I say like this, you have to get in your mind that, okay, this function is continuous everywhere. How the graph of this function will be there? How the graph of this function will be? That you need to predict here. Okay. So same way, whenever you take 11th problem, that also you can prove here. It's not very difficult to you. I think you can do it. F of x is equals to the function is given to you. Here itself I will explain. X cube minus 3 if x is less than or equals to, sorry, x cube minus 3, x square plus 1 if x is greater than 2. What to do here? This function, whenever you take at the 2, you need to get the left hand limit and right hand limit. Less than 2 it is continuous, greater than 2 it is continuous. Less than 2 का केस में continuous है, greater than 2 का केस में continuous है. Okay, in both the cases it is continuous. इज इक्वल्स टू 2 का केस में कंटिन्यूअस है नहीं चेक करना है तो लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 2 माइनस f ऑफ x क्या होगा x क्यूब माइनस 3 सो 2 क्यूब माइनस 3 8 माइनस 3 5 होगा little bit faster I am doing here f of x क्या होगा 2 plus is nothing but x square plus 1 that is 2 square plus 1 that is equals to 5 both the cases 5 function different दिख रहे but the function we are getting the limit value equal then what is f of 2 value exactly 2 means that is also 2 cube minus 3 that is also 5 this is 5 this is 5 this is 5 if these two are equal limit exists if this is equal 3 are equal then it is continuous if these two are equal and this is another number if you are getting then it is not a continuous but limit exists it is not a continuous but limit exists is it clear to you
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया yes so like this even 12th problem also you can do it it's not very difficult to you let us take the 13th problem into consideration I'm leaving to you 12th 11th and 12th problems to you as a homework you can do it similar model you need to solve it okay 13th one f of x is equals to x plus 5 just by observation only you can do it not always solving x minus 5 if x is greater than 1 तो 1 का प्लेस में स्प्लिट करना लेस देन 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 1 ग्रेटर देन 1 लेस देन 1 एंड ऑब्वियसली ग्रेटर देन 1 को कंटीन्यूअस होगा बिकॉज दिस इज अ लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल कंटीन्यूअस होगा बट इज इक्वल्स टू 1 का प्लेस में लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट लेना है लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट में ये फंक्शन लेके 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो आपको 1 + 5 आएगा 6 हो गया एंड ग्रेटर देन 1 को मींस राइट हैंड लिमिट लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट 6 आएगा राइट हैंड लिमिट को 1 - 5 -4 आएगा so left hand limit and right hand limit are not equal in this problem is it clear to you therefore it is not continuous at this particular point is it clear to you that is the problem also समझ में आया
Yes, sir.